Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones30. Let's get started here with the S&P 500. We currently find ourselves trading near monthly lows here. 4,202 is the current price that we find ourselves trading at. And what's come apparent to me in the past couple of trading sessions, this is actually what I posted yesterday in my signal team, is that we currently find ourselves trading within this 5-wave Elliott wave structure. There we go. So this is the 2-hour chart here for the S&P 500. And if we just quickly zoom into this recent movement, I identified yesterday to my signal team that we are currently potentially, but now I think it is now actually confirmed that, especially after us turning down in the past couple of hours here, that we are, currently find ourselves trading within this 5-wave Elliott wave structure. And of course, as the rules go, we would need to break below the lows of the third to fourth phase. So obviously the third phase initiated back on Monday when we created those lows down at around 4,187. So what I'm actually looking for now, guys, is for a move lower here for the S&P 500 to go and test the lows down at 4,189 and a potential minor break below. So I think that's something that you have to be very mindful going into the next couple of trading hours, or maybe even trading days, that we could potentially witness a break of Monday's lows. But I don't think that this will be a significant break. I think it will be minor, and I think that from there onwards is when we are going to get a significant amount of buying, and it will send us back up towards, let's say, 4,400-ish. Similar to the similar to the S&P 500 over here in the Nasdaq 100. We currently find ourselves trading in this kind of downtrend here, where we've peaked back in late July, and we haven't really been able to break and create a series of high highs. In fact, we've actually created a series of lower highs, and of course that's quite a bearish signal here. But if we just break this chart down to a 2-hour chart, very similar to the S&P 500, we're currently in the process of forming this 5-wave structure, and again, a break will need to occur of Monday's lows, which were down around 14,434. So I'm looking for a move to, let's say, around 14,350-ish. That would then, of course, indicate that we have broken below Monday's lows, and that is an area where I do think you could potentially load up the boat and start to, confidently buy the Nasdaq 100 here in hope that it trades higher. And then just quickly moving over to the Dow Jones30, very similar to the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, we continue to create a series of lower highs. We have failed to create a series of higher highs and break that trend. And with that being the case, we are now trading at monthly lows as well. I think there's a massive area of support down around 32,920. If you just quickly go into that 2-hour chart, do we have a 5-wave structure? Yeah, we could. If we just quickly create something like this, this is currently what we're trading in right now, and a break below this 32,900 area would need to occur. Perhaps a test down at around let's say 32,800. That would then obviously indicate a good buying opportunity here for the markets, because many investors would actually start to capitulate here, thinking that we've broken support. But in reality, all what we're really doing is completing this 5-wave structure. So I think that would offer a fantastic opportunity to go long here. Great risk reward ratio if you were to go long there with a tight stop loss, with your take profit back up at around these 34,000 areas. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Of course, my signal team, I continue to monitor the market hour by hour, where here on YouTube it's more day by day, which is not always the greatest way. But if you would like to join my signal team, it's completely free of charge for your first month, and then after that it's $29. You can subscribe by scanning this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can join. It takes 10 seconds to sign up, and if you don't enjoy the service, you can cancel for free of charge and you will not be charged. But that's it from me. I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you all here again tomorrow.